Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this look right here. We're going to be focusing mainly on the base, making sure that the foundation and the base is looking good, and doing bare minimal on the eyes. So if you're that type of person who prefers your base to look good minus the eyeshadow, then this is the look for you. And we're going to keep on going, so keep on watching. I'm starting off with my Clinique Dramatically Different gel, moisturizing gel, and I'm going to apply that all over the face per usual. And we're going to be trying out a lot of new products in this video as well. On my face, I'm going to be using the new e.l.f. Lock-On Face Primer. I have been dying to use this since I got it. I've had it for about a month. Yeah, I got it in the not the Black Friday, the Cyber Monday sale, so I've had it for a while. But I've been dying to use that, so we're going to use it today. Oh, it's clear, or sort of kind of clear, but it is also extremely thick and slimy. Anyways, we're going to give it a go. Mainly want to focus on my T-zone area. Well, it's a lock-on primer. I don't think it's supposed to like do anything special. I'm looking for the box. It's like right here. Other than hold your primer in place. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to like help with pores or oily skin or dry skin or whatnot. Let me get this box. Hold on. This primer e.l.f. claims that this primer will help your makeup last for a long time. They're calling it a gripper. It hydrates and refreshes your skin. The gel-like texture melts into the skin. It does. Creating the perfect prime canvas for smooth makeup application. So yeah, it doesn't claim to fill in pores, fine lines, doesn't claim to blur anything or control oil or anything like that, but it does say that it hydrates, and I will say it does, and that it melts into the skin. I'll say that, but it leaves behind this really tacky base. I'm not even mad at that. I'm going in with the True Match Lumi Glow Lotion. This is a natural glow enhancer, and I have the color 904 Deep Glow. And this is also at the drugstore. It says it instantly hydrates and luminizes for an all-over fresh, healthy, naked skin glow, which is what we're aiming for. So we got our moisturizing sticky primer down, which I don't know if I should have applied this first or applied the primer first or however, but we're gonna find out if I made a mistake or not. So let me actually just go in and shake it up, and I'm going to apply this pretty much all over. Oh, that's a pretty, I might have put too much. That is a pretty color. Yeah, I like that. I like that color. I skipped my nose, but so take that. Oh wow, that is a pretty color. Okay, it feels weird blending this out over the primer. This might have been a mistake. I probably should have put the glow on first and then the primer. Oh well, no. Well, it's blending out. Okay, it's blending out. Okay, it's blending out. Okay, I was a little scared. I'm good now. We good. We got it under control. Okay, now I'm gonna take the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushion in the color C8, and I'm going to apply this on my face. This used to be one of my top favorite foundations. I have not used it in a very long time, I'm gonna be honest with you. And this is my first time using it in like almost a year. You're about to see what's happening. Yes, Ghostface Killer has come back. This is me right here. This moment I'm thinking, what the hell? Now I know I damn well I used this foundation last year. It was one of my favorite foundations. It did not look like this. I'm not sure what the hell happened. I don't know if it expired, but I didn't even have it that long, so I don't know. I don't know why Ghostface Killer came to wreck the party, but she's here and she's staying for a bit, okay? But I will be getting rid of this one. After Maybelline has one that I really want to try, I will be getting rid of this one because I'm like, what the hell? I even did a review on this, and I'm looking back at the review and I'm thinking, I don't remember it being this ridiculous, but we gonna make it work as per usual. Now I'm going in with some cream contour. I am literally doing the most on the skin in this video. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I have the color in Deep, and I am just gonna basically hollow out my cheeks, you know, shrink the forehead a bit, go along my jawline because your girl been smacking, and do my nose, and I'm gonna brush it all out. I'm going to buff it all out. I don't know how I feel about this Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. I've had it for a very long time. Like when it was real popular. That's how long I've had it, and I never used it. This is literally my first time. Yeah. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm taking I think this is the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm using that to highlight up under my eyes. The consistency of this product is very thick. It needs to be warmed up, so I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Magic Lumi Concealer, and this is in the color Deep, and I'm going to apply that right on top as well as in my T-zone area. I'm basically using it to warm up the to bring a little warmth to the color of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Kit, and also use it to help blend out the cream kit, because like I said, the consistency of the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer what is it called, the contour cream kit, is it's an interesting thickness that meaning like, but I will have to say that the finish of that concealer or that cream contour kit is amazing. I love how my eyes looked underneath or towards the end of the makeup tutorial, and I actually didn't have to set it, but I ended up setting it anyway. Going in with the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Glow Amore Glow Boosting Drops. Why such a long name? This is in the color 508 Golden Hour. Looks like this. And this is the last liquid product that I'm going to place on my face. Of course, if you guys don't want to go through all these steps, you can easily skip the cream contour and highlight and go for a powder. But I'm going to go ahead and add this on now. Oh, it's thick. It's thick. Okay, so I'm going to just add it to the highest points of my face. Oh shoot. I'm just going to use what's on the applicator and not try to squeeze any more out because, oh my god. I feel like I'm going crazy. I don't know if this is going to be too much or too little. I don't know if this is going to be highly pigmented or if it's sheer. We're about to find out though. And I don't know if it's going to like remove my foundation. That's the only thing about already luminous, creamy luminous products. When you just layer them on top, they budge. So if you layer something on it that's more thicker than the previous product, it moves around a little bit. And I found that with when I was cream contouring, I found that it was moving a little bit. I realized at that moment that I applied way too much product. A little goes a long way with those Lumi drops. A little goes a long way, but it blended out beautifully and it looked really good. I prefer more of a champagne highlight, but this gold highlight was still popping nonetheless, and it glowed underneath everything, even all the powders that I put on top of it, so I really like it. So the next new product, new to me, not new to the drugstore, but new to me, this is the Pixi by Petra contour palette that was in collaboration with Miriam Nicholas. Oh, you know what, I'm just going to leave her name in the video, because me don't know how to pronounce her last name. She's a YouTuber, and these came out, I want to say last year or maybe the year before. They've been out for a long time in Target, and they also did a collaboration around the same time as Miriam's with It's Judy Time, she had an eyeshadow palette. I mean, I wanted it until I actually saw it and I realized it's just a basic eyeshadow palette, and I probably have these colors already, so I didn't purchase it. But I did went ahead and got this. I only got it because it went on clearance, to be quite honest, because Pixi is pretty, it's more on the expensive side at the drugstore, but still a drugstore product and still more affordable than, say, going to Sephora or Ulta. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes and brighten a little bit more with the yellow powder in here. And I am using my AOA Studio F19 brush to do this with. I'm going to look down, and I am really surprised that that Anastasia Beverly Hills palette did not crease. I'm very happy about that. Very happy. Alright, so I'm just using this basically to brighten a little bit more. It's doing a little something, something. You know, I don't like too much of a bright under eye, so it's doing enough. It's doing enough. Alright, that's it.
Alrighty, so now I'm taking the contour kit, the contour color in that Pixi kit, which, by the way, I absolutely love. You have to be careful because it is highly pigmented. I went in like strong arming it and ended up picking up way too much pigment. You will see it in a minute. Light hand goes a really long way. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the skin now with the Black Radiance Press powder in the color Marula. And I'm gonna use this as my bronzer just to, you know, help blend out that contour and give my face a little color. I was jamming in the background. Y'all know that Janae Aiko, her what is the name? It's Trip. Her Trip album that has been on my repeat for a very long time. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation pressed powder stuff in the color C6. This is Soft Sable, and I'm just going to set all the places I didn't set before, and I am going to go over my contour bronzed areas just to melt everything in, and anything that was too harsh, help blend it out. Taking my e.l.f. bronzer in the color Deep, and I'm just going to use that as a blush, and yeah, further give my face color, because the emphasis is on the skin in this video, if you have not figured that out by now. Going back into that Pixi contour palette, and I'm taking the contour color again, and I'm just going to contour my eyes a little bit, give them a little shapity shape, being that my face is a little flat. I need to give shape to the eyeballs, bring them back out again. And I'm going to take my face powder, and I'm going to use that to set the foundation that was on my eyelid. So I'm just going to basically use that as a eyeshadow basically, and just buff it out on the lids, even out my skin tone. That's what I think that's what I was trying to say, but it wasn't coming out right. And I didn't show it, but I went back into the Pixi contour palette, and I took the deeper shade in there, the more cooler tone shade, and I use that to define my crease a little bit. Taking the banana color in that palette again, and I'm going to use that to set up under my eyes, not up under my eyes, but under my eyebrow. This is like literally like the bare minimum when it comes to the eyes. But to give my eyes a little bit more oomph, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadows, and this is in the color Amber Rush. I have not used these in so long. I decided to pull them out, and I'm just gonna pop that color with my finger on the middle of my eyelid just to give it some oomph. I could have used the eyeshadow, I could have used the highlighted color in the contour palette from Pixi, but I wanted something a little bit more flesh tone, more pinky colored, and this was like the perfect combo. It just, anytime you're in the light, it just hits it just right, and it looks really good. I'm just setting my face with some setting spray, and we're moving on to the next step after this dries. I know this seems like a lot of work to look like you have the bare minimal, but I have a lot of discoloration on my skin, so I needed to make sure that the discoloration was not peeking through basically, and I wanted to just be, my skin to be just freshly beaten, okay, by all the makeup gods. And I took the highlighter in that palette, which is bomb, by the way. It is literally fire. And I use that to highlight the tops of my cheekbones, the brow bone area, my inner tear duct, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I could have just bathed in that color. This contour kit is literally amazing. I'm so mad I waited so long to get it, but then again, I'm happy at the same time too because I got it for a really good price. I don't know why my husband is calling me right now, but he gonna have to wait until I'm done with this. Thank you. Now I'm taking the Kiss Blowout Lash in the style Pixi in the Tarte Tartiste mascara. Did that off camera, and I'm hitting you back. We're going to finish this face, working on the lips. Now I'm taking the Jordana lip liner in the color, I think this is Tierra Kiss. I put Cocoa, but this is actually Tierra Kiss. This has been Tierra Kiss and Cocoa has been my two go-to lip liners lately by Jordana. I've only been reaching for Jordana lip liners. They're always have been my favorite, but I had kind of like put them to the side for the ColourPop ones, and now I'm back on them again. Taking the Milani Color Statement lipstick in the color Teddy Bear, which is my all-time favorite drugstore nude color for brown skin. I spelt the word color wrong on here, but y'all just ignore that, okay? Now we're gonna move over to the hair, and this hair is from Sombra Hair. I got this hair from Amazon, believe it or not, okay? Amazon. This hair did not come this color. It was actually jet black, and it kind of ombre down to like a bronzy brown type color. I wasn't feeling it. I've been rocking blonde, so I dyed the hair blonde. I will leave all the specs and information to this hair down in the description box, but I've been rocking it for a very long time, for like 2 months now, and I absolutely love it. And like I said before, I will leave all the information and the specs and everything to this hair down in the description box. This is a sew-in, by the way. Everyone thinks I be wearing these wigs, but nope, baby, I wear sew-ins. So yes, anyways, yeah, we're gonna just go ahead and finish this video now after I give you all the deets. Don't forget to check the description box, and we are now done. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to let me know by giving me a thumbs up, leaving me a comment down in the description box. Click that bell, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.